This 2023 Forest River Wildwood 356 QB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, leveling jacks, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, Skylight, air conditioning, spare tire kit, awning, oven, external shower, refrigerator, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Wildwood 356 QB is 11,249 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.